So, you ready for this day?
Ready.
Ready to be on the field?
So ready. I got this.
You sure? You think
Yeah.
you can hang with me?
Got it.
Yeah. I don't know about that.
Did you punch in the address?
I don't need the address. I'll follow my nose. I'm good at this. What? I always follow my nose. We get there on time every time. We don't need the address.
And we don't need to ask for directions either, right?
No, we never need to ask for directions. She's a great customer. I'm excited to do this for her.
Oh yeah, she's super sweet. I can't wait to get to be involved in such an awesome giveaway like this with the best.
Well, if I'm the best, I think you are. I need to turn right here. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, I'm following my nose. We don't need the GPS.
It's this turn.
We do not need the GPS. We are okay.
We need to let her know we may be a few minutes behind.
Yeah.
That right here. Turn.
Turn right here.
Yeah.
Turn right here? You should have told me a few minutes ago, baby. I know where I'm going.
If you'd have had it in the address, we would have been
No, I was fine.
good to go.
You should have told me a few minutes ago to turn, but I know where I'm going up here. You go down Little Mountain Road. Oh, is that where you get stuck?
No.
No?
Okay. Did you get the rose?
Yeah, I always get I think I got the roads. I got waters and I got you a Red Bull.
No.
Now, do you like a nice cold snack during the morning or
No.
cold Red Bull?
Red Bull is bad for you.
Well, Red Bulls are not bad for you.
Bad.
They give you energy.
Got the
They give you
roses.
wings.
Check.
Well, you are my rose.
Oh, how sweet.
Which way am I supposed to turn?
No.
I mean, I know left. You gotta tell me sooner than that, baby. Come on.
Pam can't wait for us.
Well, am I going too fast?
No, you're good.
Okay. Am I going too slow?
No, you're good.
Okay. Usually I'm either going way too fast or way too slow when you're
Pretty
looking at
sure
something.
you're gonna need me in the truck every day.
If I could have
I don't
you in
know,
the truck every day, I would love that, but also I think you would kill me.
Maybe.
Yeah.
No,
But-
I really don't know how you get to your jobs day to day without me helping you figure out where to go.
Well, you know what? It would help if you would actually give me the turn 2 seconds before I turn so I don't have to slam on the brakes in front of everybody.
Well, you know. It's okay.
So I'm going to turn left here.
Yep.
I'm following my nose. I don't need a GPS.
No, never. I'm not going to give Pam a call.
Give her a call and let her know that you're running late because you don't know your directions.
Well, we are on our way, Pamela. We can't wait. We got this, and we're excited to.
Alright. Alright, you got it, babe?
I think.
Press the trigger. Remember I showed you. You're doing great. You know it helps if you turn the solution on.
Oh, how do I do that?
Now you're ready.
Oh, here we go.
Not as easy as it looks, huh?
Now, let's get this spot right here. Hey. I'm getting some spots out. No stopping me now.
Good job.